Ladies and gentlemen, the live trading series is back due to popular request, where we take 100 Solana balance and try to turn it into over 1,000 Solana by flipping NFTs. This can be done from minting projects and flipping them, buying them at a good floor price and flipping them in the future, looking for smart returns on our investments, flipping a project's utility token, and of course those beautiful degenerate mints. Oh yeah, and no gambling is allowed at all. So what is going on, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome on back to the channel. It's your boy Jerzy, we're back. This is episode 1, and this is not financial advice, so please do your own research and be safe out there. If you're new around here and want to see the continuation of this series, please be sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hey, leave a comment down below. Alright guys, we are kicking this series off pretty strong with the Suteki mint. This was a 3.5 Solana whitelist mint, and checking by my wallet, Suteki has a current floor price of 6.9 Solana. We've already 2x within the first 5 minutes of the series. We also minted one Degen Studios and it was an epic. This was 3 Solana, and we bought another one for 3 Solana as well on the floor. So typically I would be selling Suteki at this 7-ish Solana floor price pre-reveal, as the project has not even minted out yet. There's about 400 left for whitelist 2. 2,300 people are whitelisted for this second version. That comes in 7 minutes. Plus we're live on YouTube right now. So guys, turn on notifications, hop into a live stream. But I think Suteki can be the biggest anime project of Solana, so I'm gonna hold on to these for now and try to get more throughout flipping these and just buying up the floor. Yeah, you know what, boys? I think we're gonna buy one of these. Project ran by Solstice, bigger dude on Twitter. Please don't rug us. You know what I mean, bro? I think I'm just gonna pick one of these up as like a joke, as a degen part of the series. So I'm gonna grab, dude. What guys, chat? Which one do I buy? Do we buy a zombie skin or an? Yo, we're gonna buy an alien gorilla. 0.9 Solana, alien gorilla. It's a degen play, all right? It's a fucking degen play. Let's give it a shot, right? 0.9 Solana, 30 bucks down the drain, 35 bucks. See what happens, right? So here's my thing with projects like this, all right? We have Ghost Kid Gen 2, just revealed, hitting the market, 13K volume. On their website, we have no light page, just alpha from every corner. And then we scroll down, meet the team, somewhat docs. We got fucking Joe, all right? And then we have a roadmap. Just kidding, no we don't. The project's already out and we have nothing. No phase 1, no roadmap, no white paper, no team docs. What are we in for, right, boys? I want to buy one for that reason. It's the only reason I want to buy one. So chat, what do we do? W's or L's? Do I buy one of these? As a meme, as a degen play, what do we, yo, joke for the win? What do we do? Remember, boys, this is the 100 Solana challenge, and we need some clean pickups. I fuck with this background, but he looks ugly, so we're gonna move on, all right? Oh, wait, they have bones. I'm buying bones, bro. This is the fucking bones skin from like Mario. I use him, well, my girlfriend uses him in Mario Kart, so I'm fucking buying this. Sent you a ram to help with your challenge. I didn't buy this. Guys, I didn't cheat. I didn't cheat for 0.5 Solana. The challenge isn't over. All right, chat, this is what we've been waiting for. Let's scroll down. Come on, Suteki. We have one. Okay, okay, my reaction wasn't that good. Suteki, don't get mad at me. Chat, W or L, what do we think? Ooh. Got the, ooh. Oh, ow, oh, fuck. 5? Oh, whoa. Let me get it. Ah, dude, yeah, I don't know about these, because I saw Cody make a video on these. They commented back and said, yo, we're a D-Rug project and we're fucking building. So I've been kind of wanting to buy one of these, and I think they're just cute, bro. They give off like a Chimpian vibe almost, but like forest apes, I guess. I'm gonna buy this one above the floor price because I'm not dumping on you guys. You know, I'm buying above the floor. But I'm gonna buy one as another degen part of this series. Let's see what happens. I'm buying 2. So these came out of the gate at like 1.5. Free mint, only 400 Solana volume, 40 listed out of a 3K collection. These things are probably getting scooped up as well, huh? Do we buy these on the 100 Sol wallet? How much are these up to, bro? Just, okay, it's gone, never mind. Holy shit, what's the floor at, bro? These things are so ugly and so dumb, but for some reason, I feel like they can run to like 10 or something, bro. I'm gonna buy one just because, like, I feel like they just have like that meme potential. They've been out on Magic Eden for 3 minutes, bro. 3 minutes, bro. All right, so TLDR on the flippers. We bought into the FOMO. We did buy 2 of these at around 3.5 to 4 Solana each for an average price at 3.8. So we did spend quite a bit of money on these, almost 7-ish Solana. Well, a little bit more actually. And they're ugly, they're dumb. It was a free mint by OX function. Hopefully, yeah, there's no roadmap, no nothing. So these are probably gonna never move, but it was dumb. We did make a little heftier investment on one of the older mages for their rebrand and revamp of their roadmap and their lore. We did buy one of the ones that are currently dead that can be revived for 1,000 tome, I think, at 15.23, and they've currently ran all the way up to, I believe, around 16.5. They think they touched around 17. Yeah, 16.7. 17 is the floor price. And then we did make a couple of flips and trades as well. We did actually sell off one of the Sutekis. We did sell one of them for, I think, 8.88, the one that I actually minted right here. This is the one that we minted. I believe it was a rare, ranked like 2K or something. It minted for 3 Solana and we sold it for 8.88. Not too bad. We still do own around 3 of these. And today we just minted a Great Goats as well. I did sell it a little premature. I did paper hand it. I still made money at around 2.53 Solana on the trade. Minted it for 2.75 Solana, sold it for 5.75. So made 3 sold there. Still not revealed. Already up to an 11 Solana floor price at 52K traded volume. 700 out of an 11K collection listed. That's fucking mind-blowing. The Missa Miran is a project we have been calling out since 0.3 Solana. I wish I bought these on the downfall on this wallet. They were at 0.3. We bought in at 0.3. Traded these at like 2.6 to 3. They've now ran to 3.2 as their bot is coming into full effect. And as of right now, we are looking for other trades. We will be minting Vandal City and we will be minting, I think, Hello Pantha and possibly Just Ape on this account. So I'm really hoping that Vandal City can do a pump to like 6 to 8, maybe 10 on day 1. We'll see what happens. 3 Solana mint price coming out tomorrow. And I might live stream this event as well. So yo, subscribe, turn on notifications. Geotadians are sitting below 30 Solana. There's 140 listed out of 5K. This is a high conviction play of mine for the longer term, but it would be half of the liquid we have at the moment to buy one of these. So it is a little bit expensive. I also do want to pick up a Grim Syndicate sometime soon, maybe around that 7.5 area, as that is the average sale price. They've got 5% listed. OG Atadians have like 8 to 9% listed. And if we can get up to a 90 Solana wallet, I think picking up a Blocksmith sub 100 is a no-brainer at the moment in the current market, as these things have shown 100 to 110 floor price the past week. And they've just continued to revolutionize the tool space for Solana. So I think these will be very useful in the near future. And they are working on another new thing as well, I think called Bitfrost, something like that. So I think Blocksmith Labs are looking to pump and run up soon. So the Tombstone High Society has shown themselves to run up at that 15 to 20 Solana range. They're currently on a little bit of a downfall, waiting for this mutation with their skulls, and they're at a 9 Solana floor price. So I'm going to pick up this rank 1900 on the floor for literally under 9 Solana, because I still believe in the long-term plans. Well, it's ranked 2900, but either way, it was the cleanest looking one out of all the ones at 9 Solana. So I thought, you know what, dude, it seems like a good investment. Please keep in mind, nothing in this video is financial advice. This is me being a Degen, aping into random projects, trying to make a quick flip or a trade for the long run on my own money. It's scary because I'm quite literally risking like $4,000 to $5,000 on this challenge. It could go south. So again, we had 2 Degen pickups, the Forest Apes and the Fantastic Flippers. We did buy an older mage for the future down to 14 Solana floor price. We did pick up a second Ghostface Gen 2 at 2 Solana. First one was at 4, so we're in for 6 at a 3 average total. The Goofy Gorillas are down to a 0.3 from a 0.9 entry. Tombstone was a 9 Solana pickup for a rank 2900. It looks fucking sick. We do have 2 Jikins. We minted one of these. We have 3 Sutekis. We sold the one that we did mint, and we are holding on to an epic one here that I did pay 9.5 Solana for. A little bit expensive, but this one is super clean, so hopefully it does well. Suteki, you got my back, right? And we did just mint 3 Vandal Cities for 3 Solana each. They are currently at 98% minted, so we're about to hit the 100% and see these on secondary. So we'll probably close off the episode 1 with some Vandal City trading, looking for some profits, or holding on to maybe one of them and selling off 2 of them, maybe staking it for their vault token. We'll see what happens. Yo, real quick, this video is sponsored by ftx.us. You can use the links down below to save an additional 10% off with all trading fees using my links down below for mobile and desktop. When using the platform, you can also earn a free cryptocurrency coin with every single $10 that you trade on the platform. They offer NFTs for Ethereum and Solana, no ACH fees, no minimum transaction fees, and no withdrawal fees as well. Again, save 10% on all trading fees with my links down below, ftx.us. Thank you so much for the sponsorship. And yeah, guys, go check them out for yourselves. Sign up today for free. It's quick, simple, easy to do, and you save money. so it's a no-brainer. All right, enjoy. All right, yo, so this project called Susuno is minting live right now. It's going relatively slow. I do think their artwork looks pretty insane. It's gonna be a staking, raffle, auction sort of project like usual, but I think these things look fucking dope. It's like half human, half mutated, half skeleton, zombie, whatever you want to call it. I think they look dope as fuck. I've been watching these for a while now. Totally forgot they were minting. All right, so it's a 3 Solana mint price. 2,500 have only been minted, so there's like 4,000 left. Going to Coral Cube, they're currently being listed for 2.69 Solana, so I think I'm gonna have to pick one of these up real quick. They haven't revealed, they've done nothing. We did just buy one for 2.7 Solana on the dot, so not bad. It could be a little bit worse. So far, we minted 3 Vandal cities, and we got ourselves a Susuno, which they do look dope, so hopefully it goes well. And apparently they're claiming of raffling off an OK Bear day 1 of the staking. So we'll see what happens. But yo guys, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you have enjoyed the revamp of the 100 to 1000 Solana challenge, let me know down below. Like today's video, leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel. And yeah, the last clip of today's video, I woke up like 20 minutes ago, so I'm a little tired and sleepy. So shouts out to you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Have a great day and peace out. Go follow my Twitch. Bye.